belongs to Noida, and I would like to tell you like how I become into the direct selling, how I entered into the direct selling. So very firstly, I will start it out from my very you can say from 2001. It is almost like 19 years back. It's not like that I'm having a 19 years of experience, but definitely the story is definitely very interesting, and it will give you a somewhat touch to understand the people like who are into job, and like what was the situation like when I entered into like different parts when I passed it out my intermediate. So I belongs to a very middle class family. My father was into like government job into the electricity department, where he was also like believing it out that I become an engineer and should have to work it out into the electrical department. Well, if I talk about in 2001, I was admitted into an engineering college. Definitely, it was in a very, you can say, a good approach from my family. They want to me be an engineer, but I believe it out on a 10% of the thing, because 10% can do a lot in your life. Now the voice is clear. Anybody from the panelists can say me? The
वॉइस
voice is clear.
सही है, वॉइस सही है, वॉइस सही है। गो हेड, थोड़ा सा आप, बस हाँ, बस ईयरफोन नज़दीक रहेगा, सही रहेगा।
Okay. So, guys, I was admitted into an engineering college. And after admitting into an engineering college, definitely people were thinking that I'm an engineer, but definitely I'm not. I completed my 3 years successfully there, but I'm basically in a very different mind person. Like I believe to do something in a different manner. Once I was completing my 3 years, I find it out that I won't be in a very good engineer. I left it out in 3 years, and I was don't think it out that I was not good into my studies. I completed my like all the 3 years. That was 70% plus. But somehow I was not thinking it out that I won't be a good engineer. I won't be a good engineer. So I left it out my engineering and I just get back to my hometown. So there was like a lot of you can say concession in my family. So everybody was asking like what you have done it out, what you will do in your career and all. So the thing was like that ki I was in a dilemma that what to do now. Even I was also thinking after leaving the engineering. So simply, I just opted out my graduation with physics and maths, and after that, I joined an organization in a telecom name is Vodafone during my this graduation career. So that again make me let take to a next level. I found it out my some of my managers who tell me that you are good into your skills, you are good into management. Why don't you go for an MBA? So I thought it out. It will be a good move for me. Even like I was not earning much well. So I thought it out. If I do an MBA, I can earn more and all. So I opted out my MBA. I give my CAT preparations and all, and I get selected in a Pune college name is Pune Institute of Business Management, which is coming into the top 30 institutes in right now in India. So I completed my post graduation MBA, that is in year 9/11, 2009 and 11. I completed my MBA, and again, it was again my choice. But you can say, na, like I told you, like 10% of the destiny always play in a role. Even I was like passed it out very good marks with very good tension and all. But again, I was again into a trouble. My first job, which I get it out in my after my MBA, because I'm a like a certified person also, like into some of the technical courses. Might be like some of the job persons who are associated here in the meeting, they can they can understand like about the SAP course. I'm an SAP HRMS certified. I'm basically a green belt Six Sigma certified. So according to that, I got a placement in a IT in a US organization with a package of 7.5 lakh rupees, and that is in 2011. You guys can understand in 2011, 7.5 lakh rupees. It was a very good package. I'm talking about 13 years back. So this was like something which motivates me like to get ahead into my life. But again, there wasn't a problem. Again, there wasn't a problem. But this problem was like something you can say it comes from the God home. My father was like suffering from throat cancer, and suddenly I got a call from my home that my father is serious. You need to come back to home. And I was having the only two options, either to get back to home or maybe I can just take a leave from my job. I asked for the leave. They didn't allow me. I resigned my job within like another 3 months and all. I get back to my hometown, and unfortunately, in July 15th, I lost my father. That was the duration. I was thinking it out. That I was when I was like in 2001 and 2012 is like the same thing where I was standing onto the same path. I was standing onto the same path. So again, I come back to my home. Like after all the rituals, I came back again to Pune. And believe me, guys, I was out of all my technical abilities. I was not able to recollect all the things because it was in a year had been passed it out without any kind of a study and all. So I came back to Pune, and believe me, people, I was rejected at 17 times. 17 times in my job. That was the frustration, you can say, but that make me more strengthened. And after that, I got a very simple job on a four to five people office, hardly a room of 5 by 5, at a rupees of 5,000. At a rupees of 5,000 rupees, I done a job. And the day I get my first salary, I find it out that only with salary I cannot run my entire life. I cannot run my entire life. So from that day, I was searching something else, and unfortunately, there was some mishappening again happen in my family. Some again as death happened. So finally, I in 2014 I came back to Delhi, and here you can say like what my destiny was about to from 2001 to 2014. It was trying to say me what it was trying to get me in that come to Delhi, your things will be here only. So I finally met it out with Deepa, again with Sonam, and here from here my direct sales industry. I come into the direct sales industry from here only. So this was like the entire journey which I'm telling you. This was not very much easy. And once I was in direct sales industry, na, people generally ask me like, how do you come like do this direct sales and like your job both of the same time? So I simply I said it out that I was my 9 to 5 job was there. I generally am reaching my office at 10 or maybe 11. Okay, so 10 or 11, that the time before 10 and 11 I'm doing in a meeting, and after my office I'm doing in a meeting. In that particular duration, my wife Deepa was handling like the entire team, the entire plan. If something is like happening outside, so she's attending that. And in the Saturdays and Sundays, I was out from the city to generate my business, to increase my business. So this is how something I can say like I worked it out 24 by 7 while into the job. It was really very difficult to maintain that, but yes, I maintained it up. And my first company, I will explain you all with the name and all. My first company with Sonam was Amway. I do it out for almost like 2.5 years. Again, after that, I was again with Sonam with Growing International, which was my previous organization. And in 2018, we joined it out, OK Life Care. And many of you like know my journey, me and my wife journey, like how we completed it out, how we come up, and the journey which I'm telling you, know, like the 24 by 7 working, it was really well. That's why we are here. So now I'm going to ahead with the OK Life Care, like why OK Life Care was. So let me put you on a screen, just a second.
क्या हुआ प्रतीक जी? ओके।
Just a second. So guys, can you see my screen? Hello? Can you see my screen?
पैनलिस्ट में
Yes,
कई लोग हैं जो अनम्यूट करके प्लीज जवाब दीजिए आप लोग।
yes, sir. Seen हो रहा है.
Okay, thank
Am I
you.
seen?
Thank you. Thank you. So first of all, I would like to tell you like why OK Life Care. Why OK Life Care? There were like almost four and a 450 companies are there in the market. Why OK Life Care? What is different in OK Life Care? Why we need to choose it out OK Life Care? That is always been in a part, like you have to understand. You have to understand like why OK Life Care. So firstly, like all the people say like the key pillars and this and that. I will start it in a very different way. I will start in a very different way. Like I had like my own 3 points where I put it out like everything once I started something different. So if I'm going with any kind of a business or maybe any kind of a thing, there are like 3 points are there. Very first is the sale. Everywhere you are going, wherever you are going, you need to sell it out. Sorry, you need to sell it out. Okay, anything, either in a job or maybe in a business, you need to sell it out. Second thing is the product. Is your product sellable or it is acceptable? Is your product sellable or it is acceptable? And the very last and not least, your business plan or maybe your business path. Either it is achievable or it is hypothetical. Either it is achievable or it is hypothetical. So I will my entire presentation over the OK Life Care will be depending on to like 3 points. So very firstly, the key pillars we already had it. Now I come on to the pillars part. Now if I'm talking about the profile, definitely the profile of the biggest companies have also failed it out. But yes, we need to discuss it out. Why OK Life Care profile? Why OK Life Care profile is that because this is the first company who has started its operations after having its own 7.5 acres office. Its own 7.5 acres office. No other organization you can find it out in the entire industry who have started their work, their operations. Many of them have started with a rented office. With a rented office. Only the OK Life Care is that who has started his operations with an office of 7.5 acres. Even though they are opening their 2.5 acres manufacturing setup also, which is very soon it is going to be operated there. Okay. Now the second thing, in the profile there are two things. Whenever you are just deciding it up to any kind of an organization or maybe any business, you decide it out. Now I talk about there are like two kind of companies are there in the market. The companies where the very first one are run by the network marketers who have done it out and a great work into the network marketing, and after that they come to open their own organization. I will talk about the second type kind of organizations who have an experience to deliver the product to the or maybe into the manufacturing of the product into the direct sales, and they are delivering it to the direct sales companies. So there are two kind of companies. Okay. So now what it's like to be like if I talk about a network marketer company, definitely nobody can runs a better company than a network marketer. Nobody can runs a company, none of them a network marketer, because a network marketing person who has done it out network marketing in an entire career, he or she should know that what are the difficulties a person, a fresher person or maybe an experienced person is facing it out into the industry. But sometime it happens that a network marketer person who started his organization in a initial duration, he can run it in a better way. But when I talk about in a long duration, definitely some of them face it out and have financial problems. Now when I talk about the second kind of profile of the companies, so they are coming from a manufacturing background of the products. They have a huge backup, huge money backup they are having, but they are lacking a person who's piloting their company. Piloting in terms of, I'm talking about the person, they are having a knowledge about how to make the product, how to deliver the product, but they are not having a knowledge about the network marketing, like how network marketing can run, how the things can be worked it out there in network marketing. So both of the profiles having a minus point. Now when I talk about if I combined these 2 points at one place, that makes OK Life Care. That makes OK Life Care. So when I talk about like the 2 points which are making it up, so I talk about the DK Saharan, who's having again 20 years of experience. When I talk about Mr. Jogendra Dalal, who's a person who's having a fantabulous experience of almost like 19 years. The guy who has started from a 7,000 rupees salaries and that's created an OK group of worth rupees 7,000 to 8,000 crores rupees. Okay. Now, on to the second part when I come on to the product side. So products are like, I can say there are like three kinds of products are there in the market. Definitely, because we had like three kind of markets there in our India. Definitely, it's amazing, na? We had on the three categories of product. We have understand only like the product. The product is product. That's it. We know, na? Now I will tell you like what it like the three categories of the product are there in the market. There are like affordable products are there are cheap products are there in the market, and there are product which are just only to just launch it out in a competition, just launch it out in a competition within a few difference of the DP prices or maybe to the MRP prices. Now when I talk about an affordability of the product, so what is the affordable products? Affordable products are there, like which are the very first condition of the affordable products are there, like they should be acceptable, they should not to be sellable. They should be acceptable, not to be the sellable part. When I talk about acceptable, if you are putting down your products in front of anybody, I'm talking about any of the a customer or maybe any person, you don't need to tell them that you need to buy this. The other person need to select it out that I want this and this. This is the acceptability of your product, and this acceptability of the product, what it defines to, this defines the affordability. The affordability, if I will say in a very small example, suppose that we had a product of worth rupees 150 rupees MRP. We are taking a product rupees 150 MRP. If you are giving your product to any of the person, I'm not talking about into the direct sales and all, but if you're giving in a product of 150 rupees MRP to a simple customer, and once that particular customer is taking that particular product in his hand, he is finding it out, the look, feel, the texture, like the product quality, the smell of the product, it is top notch, which is like comparing or maybe like matching to the product which is available in the market of rupees 250 or maybe 200 rupees MRP. You're getting my point. The product of 150 rupees is giving the experience to a person that if he's holding in a product of worth rupees 250, so he's feeling it out that he's getting the product cheaper from the market, cheaper from the like or maybe lesser from the market. So he's getting the product value for money. So this comes into the affordable category where your MRP is defining or maybe your MRP is justifying your product. Now in the second case, if I talk about the cheap product, so definitely if you're giving in a product of 150 rupees MRP, and after the look, feel, and the texture and the smell and like the product quality, if it seems to a customer that this product cost is worth rupees 70 to 80 rupees, so he is finding it out that you're making him fool. You're making him fool only just because of the name of the company. You're just giving the product just to for the sake. So that comes into the cheap category. Now when I talk about the third category, where we talk about the lesser price, so definitely this era belongs to the competition. And this kind of competition, like where the people are like dropping their prices by 1 rupees or 2 rupees, this is only for a some time. They cannot run this for a longer duration. They cannot run this for a longer duration. I can give it a very live example. Maybe some of them people like know the company. I will not take on the name of that particular organization, but definitely you can understand with the example. Like we had on a rice bran oil of worth rupees 280 rupees, 2 liter from the AP Organics. Their poster has been released it out with rupees of 278, which has never been you can say delivered, or maybe like it has been even launched it out. Even they had a soap worth rupees 24. Even we are having on a DP of 25. Now you can see it out, the clear difference. We are right now taking the soap or maybe the oil from the third party. We are not manufacturing it. Very clear. We are not manufacturing either the soap or the oil. But again, we are giving on to the affordable rates. We are giving on to the affordable rates. And the other company, they belongs to the manufacturing sector. They are into the manufacturing for the almost like 10 years. And even after that, they are giving only 1 rupees lesser than us, only 1 rupees lesser than us. So these kind of like propagandas cannot run it out for a longer duration. Okay. Now, when I talk about the payout part, definitely the plan which I will discuss it out on the very last, we had a very you can say simple you can say and a consistent plan which can make you to earn the money in a very prominent way, in a very prominent way. And we are like there are like two kinds of which I talk about, like the achievable and the hypothetical. We don't have anything hypothetical into it. And definitely not last but least, the education system. We had a fantabulous education system with us, which is run it out by our company, that is for the ADP and LDP. ADPs and LDPs has been run it out by the company, and definitely you guys cannot believe it out. Company is giving it free of cost. Only they are giving you some of the targets to complete that. After that, you can take it out the education system perfectly. Okay. Now I will move it out to the next level. Like why OK Life Care? Why OK Life Care? This was like the conditions like which we were talking about. But there are like two, three things which I need to discuss it out. You can see it out in a current scenario also, where our CEO, Mr. DK Saran, has taken a decision, like to not to has to taken a decision to suspend his all the operations. Why? He's such a caring CEO now that he even don't want it out that his business to be grow in this lockdown. Why? Because he don't want his any of the distributor to be infected from this COVID-19 in this particular. Because if he opens his operations, people will definitely go outside and they will do the business. And as we are networkers, we cannot sit it out home alone. We cannot sit it out. Okay. So these things like are telling us that why we are into in a good company. If I talk about the OK Life Care existence, so they started in 2016. They started in 2016, and from 2016 they get their name in 2018. What was the thing? Why didn't they emerge in the very first year? You guys can easily consider it that they are much, you can say, backed up with the backed up with the financial part. They are much backed up. Even if they want it out in 2016, they can call any kind of a leader, any big leader into their organization, and they can make a hype of OK Life Care. But this was the only and only, you can say, the ethical way of Mr. DK Saharan, that he wanted out he wanted out to run his company in a very organic manner. If he believed it out that if his plan and his strategies are correct, then OK Life Care will grow automatically. And it happened in 2018. It happens in 2018. It requires some efforts, it requires something, and I would like to thank Mr. Akhilesh Singh Sonam for the great efforts which they have put it out into for the OK Life Care, and to made it out this entire system for the team mentors. So there are like n numbers of things. You can believe it out, in only 3 years we had a people of almost like 70 to 80 people are there, like who are earning 1 lakh rupees plus. There are like six people are there who are earning 10 lakh plus. It's not a joke into the direct sales industry. You can see it out the entire history of the direct sales, like the companies who are into like their early 3 years, what where was those companies and where we are into the 21st century. So we had a very different model of education, of business. We are very different to the any of the person, any of the companies. Now we come on to the next part, where we can talk about the profile. So definitely, I welcome Mr. Jogendra Dalal. He's again a very good businessman, a fantabulous person, having 19 years of experience, as I told you, in a business, who has made it out in from 7,000 to 7,000 to 8,000 crores rupees industry, the OK Group. When I'm talking about, again, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Saran, having 20 years of fantabulous experience into the direct sales industry, and this experience was exactly like us. The same, we are attending like the live webinar from here now. That person at the age of 17 to 18, he has gathered a crowd of 25,000. How much? 25,000 crowd he gathered only because of him. He was the person when because I cannot even assume it out. Like at the age of 17 and 18, he bought on a new Sonata. That was a dream of the most of the persons who were like earning good. Well, he was a fantastic guy, a fantastic person, a down to earth person, and definitely having a better experience into the direct sales. People generally say that you can find it out the people who are having 20 years of experience into a direct sales, and after that, if you ask them that what they have in their account, they said nothing. This is the person having 20 years of experience, and he has made it out in a crores rupees net worth or the properties of him. That is why he's free right now. But he has a dream that my distributor will commit out into the world top 10 list of earner, while the other organizations are trying to put their self into the world top 10 organizations. Difference is very clear. So we had a combination of these two people, which is again unmatchable in the entire industry. Now, again, if I talk about uh, into the, you can say the units which we are having into the OK Life Care, definitely we are having like in a three universities which are name of OPGS. Again, like IP College of Education, 21 colleges are there who are providing different kind of organizations. We had on a news channel that is OK India. We had on a new music channel that is on a Torah Music, and again we are upcoming with on a news channel that is on a OK Movies, which like you can watch it out the movies there. We had OK Movies, over which banner we had made it out almost like six pictures till now. One was like P Se Pyar, F Se Farad. You can watch it out on a easily, even like another movie which is coming. That is Hawaii. And when I talk about OK Films, yeah, we are in you can say collaboration with Subhash Ghai. Uh, I'm missing it out like the name of his production. That is Mukta Arts. Yeah. So again, we had an OK Cinemas that is in a theater chains. Right now it is 44, but I think like few of them are like being operative as per the business perspectives. We are having one this Fun Valley, like in a water park. That's the biggest park in Kathmandu and having a national park designation there in Nepal. We had a hotel franchisees with the name of Dusty Hotels in. Now, where we talk about the recognitions of the organizations. Yeah, definitely. Like when we talk about the recognitions, everybody had it. But having another recognitions from SOCHM, from the PhD chambers, yeah, they are the biggest financial institutions of our country who are directly, you can say, contributing into the direct sales industry and as well as into the Indian financial history. Like the organizations who are associated them, like the Tata, the Birlas, the Reliance, all the organizations who are above 1,000 crores rupees, they are a member of that. We are an ISO certified company. We are an FDSA certified company. Again, we are into the human resource, the MSME, the Retail Association of India, Startup India, and Make in India. So even though like it's you can find it out these all the things in maximum of the organization, but why we are into it, we had the recognitions because we are doing something different in the market. We are doing something different in the market. That's why we are here with this organization. Now when I talk about the product part, definitely when I talk about the product part, which I already discussed about, your the acceptable and the sellable thing. And definitely, when you had an acceptable products now, when you had an acceptable products, you don't have to face it out your social acceptance down. But when you are into the sellable product category, when you are into the sellable product category, you have to compromise your social acceptance. I'm giving a very small examples, or maybe you can even you can recall your memories, previous memories. How many of them you feel that the business which you have done it out in your previous companies, or I'm not talking about OK Life Care, but in your previous companies, have not been turned up again just because of the product, and you know, and the reason is unknown still. Definitely, it is like your social acceptance, and a social acceptance is attached to your products because the products are the base, are the soul of your business. When you are giving the acceptable products, when you are giving the affordable products, definitely your social acceptance is not going to hamper it out. But yes, if you're giving the sellable products, if you're doing magic tricks, if you're doing the glass of waters and this and that, all blah blah things in front of the your customer, and you're just be like a jadugar, so it cannot be happen, and it will definitely decrease your social acceptance, because people know you that you're doing in a very good work, but just because you had a sellable products which you need to sell it out, they decrease your social acceptance. Now when we talk about the products, so definitely we had like two kind of organizations with us. It's the international and the Indian companies. Yes, we are. And when you can just see it on my screen, there are like a few of the examples has been given it out about the international and the Indian companies. Now, when we talk about Amway, when we talk about Tians, when we talk about Forever, Herbalife, Whole Life Unicity, definitely these companies are having a different view about in the world. Like they have been like you can say doing a fantastic work into the entire world. When we talk about the India, except Herbalife, they have increased a lot. So when we talk about their turnovers, because we generally we are entering into the business and we have to go with the facts and figures now. We have to go with the facts and figures now. So when we talk about these particular organizations, they have completed out almost like 500 crores rupees turnover in the last 10 years. And when we talk about our Indian companies, when we talk about Vistage, IMC, RCM Modicare, yes, they are the pillars of the direct selling industry in current time. Because I think if these companies are existing, our direct selling is existing it out. So when we talk about the Vistage turnover, that is almost 1850 crores rupees plus. When I talk about IMC, it's almost 1000 crore plus. When I talk about RCM, it's almost 1700 crore plus. When I talk about Modicare, it's 700 crore plus. What are the difference? Like both are the direct selling companies. Only difference is they are international and we are Indians. But in Indian companies and in India, one thing is very common. One thing is very common. In where when I talk about international companies, people are more you can say inclined towards to the healthcare. And as we always send it out into our direct selling industry that our industry belongs to the healthcare, industry belongs to the healthcare. I don't think so. These like the parameters which has been taken out here, the data has been taken out here. It is not matching it out with our words. Okay. So why Vestige and IMC and RCM Modike increased it up? Because there is one thing in India which has been largely used, hugely used in every home, every person, either it is poor or maybe into the richest category. That is the FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. And that's how these companies done a very huge amount of business into India. Okay. Now we have to choose it out. Once we are entering into India, na, we have to choose it out, like why we cannot only like jump it out into it. We cannot jump it out. We have to say that we have two best selling organizations into India. That is, one is Vestige, another is Modicare. We have to put it out like two products of that. One is like a light rice bran oil. Again, Modicare is also selling the same. Vestige is selling that particular oil in rupees 395 rupees 2 liter, and Modicare is selling almost like 197 rupees per liter. Yes, definitely. If we go on an average part, approximately 200 rupees liter, approximately 200 rupees liter. And what the turnover they are doing, Vestige is doing 23 crores and Modicare is doing 10 crores. Again, when we talk about the Zeta T, the 12 crores rupees per month turnover, definitely the prices. I'm so sorry. Definitely the price is rupees 107 for 250 grams. And again, when we talk about Modicare, then it is the prices 140 rupees 250 grams. If you go into the previous figures, if you go into the previous figures, which I told you, Vestige is 18.5 crores rupees plus, and Modicare is almost like 700 crores rupees plus. You can imagine it out like the entire business, 20% of that has been done it out with only these two products, only with these two products. Now, when we opted out into the industry, when we come into the industry, we again commit out. We again commit out with the similar products, but definitely not with the similar rates. Because we are in India, and any business which is running for a longer duration, they are running onto the marginal basis. Any business you can put it out, pick it out uh, in your surroundings. Any business. I will give an example later, but let's see what we have done it out. We also like launched it out like similar rice bran oil, which is coming from the similar organization, AP Organics, rupees 280 rupees 2 liter. We again had it like an Indian tea, that is rupees 84 rupees. Again, like it's Assam CTC, a very good, you can say excellent tea. Okay, why we have put it out into this? Because we are into affordable conditions. We are not into the sellable part. We are into the acceptable products. Okay, now the best part of the products are that the traditional distribution system. And believe me, guys, when I was introduced to my first direct selling companies, the above line which you are seeing on my screen, that is from company to consumer. This was my plan. This was my only one plan. I only tell the people that people who's taking like the product directly from the manufacturer to consumer. So whatever like the expenses has been happening in between, that is either it I talk about the advertisement, either I talk about like the transportations, like the straight CNF, or maybe like any of the district support, or maybe onto the retailers part. Definitely, we are like cutting off that particular portion, and what that 60 to 70% the portion is coming directly into the pocket. But guys, think again. Any company, a single company, except RCM, except RCM, think it out. Any company is working onto this particular model. This was the first model which was you can say given by a company name is Avon, factory to consumer. This was the only one model, and in the entire 24 years we have changed this model. We have changed this model. Nobody has worked it out till now. Factory to consumer. If factory to consumer is the direct selling concept, then why the products are costly into the direct sales? And especially the FMCG items, especially the FMCG items. Healthcare, I can understand that some of the research has been there, some of the things are there. Definitely, like we are not into that. But we are again coming into the manufacturing, and believe me guys, the products which you can see it out into OK Life Care, they are going to be more lesser into their pricing once our manufacturing setup has been started. So direct selling distribution, when I talk about OK Life Care is providing you a actual direct sales which says to factory to consumer with the affordable prices, with the affordable prices. Now when we talk about this is in a small you can say survey which has been done it out by our distributors. So when I talk about a direct selling market, when I talk about direct selling market, so when I go ahead with the Assam tea, it's almost like 124 rupees. These are the like average rates. Don't make it on onto that, but these are the average rates. If you talk about the tea, if you talk about the bathing soap, the bar, the toothpaste, shampoo, face wash, detergent, rice bran oil, anything you can put it out, you can see the rates. Like they are like much higher from the traditional market, which has been mentioned here in the middle of that. You can see the rates of traditional market and direct selling rates, which are now like in direct sales. You can find it out in Assam CTCT, that is 124, and traditional market that is 93. Good. Bathing soap in traditional direct selling industry 35, in traditional market that is 30. Again, bathing bar in direct selling industry 80 rupees, in traditional market that is 52. Very good. You can compare all the rates. You can compare all the rates, and after that we are saying that we are working into direct sales. No, we are not working into direct sales. It is better to shift to the traditional market rather than buying your products from these companies who are giving out to the very high prices. Just because of what? Just you saying you that they are having a very good quality. Even it is in a very good quality. I had a very simple question. If we talk about direct sales, that is factory to consumer. That is factory to consumer. Then the price has to be for a good product, a good quality product, and the simple product has to be like the process has to be same, na? If the product is like in a good category and if it is coming directly from factory to consumer, it should be at a lesser price. You can see the OK Life price list. The Assam CTC 84 rupees, bathing soap 25 with a 78% of TFM, toothpaste 45 rupees, guys. And with what? Neem, calcium, omega. Even you can't imagine it out like that. We are going to launch it out the probiotic toothpaste, which is again a very miracle to the industry. Hey, this is not available in the entire market. Okay, we are having a shampoo of 200 rupees, 200 ml. Sorry, 500 ml, 199 rupees. Cannot beat it out the price. Face wash, you can see the Neem Tulsi face wash. How many persons have you used it out? 90 rupees only, 100 ml. If you compare it with the traditional market, in Himalayas, if you can go, you can find it out that this the face wash of rupee 250 rupees, 65 or maybe 70 ml. If you talk about Patanjali, 65 ml, 100 rupees. What we have it? 90 rupees, 100 ml. And with the good quality, good quality. It's not like that we are like charging less than we are giving the low quality. If it is like that, we are not coming out here for the long term. We are here coming out for a short profit. But OK Life Care has committed out for the long term business. That's why we are working it out more and more onto the product quality and to the pricing part. Okay. Now, when we talk about the Indian traditional Ayurveda, you can see it in the below side of the my slide. 24 products we had it: Neem, Tulsi, Kalonji extract, Ashwagandha, Muktavati, Mulethi. How many rupees? 159. And you can see with extract, there are like three kind of forms in Ayurveda. One is like in a powder form, third one is extract, second one is extract, and third one is in a liquid one. So we had it like an entire part. When you talk about Shilajit Kesar, if you're just going to buy it out from the Himalayas, it's almost like 400 rupees for 60 tablets. And that is in a powder form. What we are giving, 60 tablets, 159 rupees only. We are again beating the traditional market. We are again beating the traditional market. So there we had an entire range of this. We had an entire range of this. Now we come on to the our premium food supplement. When we talk about the premium food supplement, in-house research-based product, patented formulations. We don't have patented products, but we had a patented formulation. Patented formulations means what? I would like to thank Dr. Vikrant Narwal ji, and I would like to thank Mr. DK Saharan. These guys are working from the very first day. These guys are working from the very first day to improve the food supplement quality, to making out different food supplements, and they are doing in a very different way. When I talk about Dr. Vikrant Narwal, a very fantastic guy, 2012 gold medalist, a PhD into the food sciences, a phenomenal knowledge into the food sciences. I cannot say. That's why we had it out. Dr. Irfan, 21 years of experience into the pharma. And here we become like in a first company into the herboceuticals. Herboceuticals. So we are like, we are the first product-based companies into the direct selling industry, which are having a specialized products with us. And each and every premium food supplement, you can find it out probiotic. Probiotic what? Good bacteria. You have seen our doctors, you have seen our medical staffs have been saying it out that after 2025, no medicines will stop working with us. Why? Because our immune system will resist to that. Like our immune system will resist to that particular medicines because we are habitual to take it up. And what probiotic can done it out? Probiotic is just making yourself probiotic is just making your gut system. There are like two systems are there in the human body. One is your brain and second one is your gut system. So it is making both the systems more healthy. It is making both the systems more healthy. So when I talk about like these particular products, so their formulas are patent. Their formulas are patent. We had the products where like it has been you can say research it out in US also. The friends of Dr. Vikrant Narwal, once we are making any kind of a product, It is going to like the formulation has been sent it out to US also to make it confirm that whether it is like it will be working or not. Okay, so we are not only, you can say, a Indian organization, not only with the registration, but we are an Indian organization with the thought and as well as with the price. 100% satisfaction guarantee. 100% satisfaction guarantee. My 90, Ortho Mega, these are the products like you cannot find it out anywhere, anywhere. We are the first company who started a thing like you can avail our one product, you can get the benefit of 10 products. So we are the company who's giving the things single product versus multiple products. If a person who is like in a healthy and want to be healthy with other companies, and if he is going to take in a supplement, so he's getting like 4 5 boxes. Might be he is looking it out to take that particular product to be healthy, but once he started taking like 4 to 5 tablets on a daily basis, he might be not get ill due to like some other reason, but he might get ill from the mentally level, because in India it is already been said it out that people people assume it out that they are ill just because when doctor declare them, or maybe they are taking some medicines or capsules. So we are going next level to that. We are going to take this food supplement into our food habits. If you can't believe it out, we have made it out the coffees. We have made it out the coffee in a format of like the people who are having a diabetes problem, they are having a diabo coffee. We are going next level. We are going next level to this food supplement. We have made it out diabo coffee. We have made it out gymo coffee for the gym people. We have made it out braino coffee for the people who are having a difficulty into the brain system. We have made it out in a cardo coffee for the heart people. We're doing it different here, different. And now what? Now is the time to the solution of the business. We had it what? The healthcare, the personal care, the food, organic fertilizers, kitchen care, targeted Ayurveda. And what we are into innovative domain. We are into the affordable domain. We are into the user-friendly domain. We are inspired by Ayurveda. And definitely we are 110% organic. Now, here the comes when we talk about the business. Definitely this was the thing what we were waiting it out. I can see the comments also like in a very beginning. So how we talk about the business, because when I like start discussing about the business plan, I would request you all that see it as a business. See it as a business. Now what, we had a different, you can say, the myth in the market, or maybe we had you can say a fight in our market, that either the two-leg plan is binary or it is a generation. Either the two-leg plan is binary or it is generation. So what? How we can define it out? I will take a very simple example. Uh, Even it is related to the human. When I talk about how you can differentiate between a human and a monkey, how you can differentiate? Just only because of the characteristics? Only because of the characteristics. You can only define it out them that the monkey is having a tail, the human being is not having. Monkey is sorry, we are wearing clothes, monkey is not. They are living onto the trees, we are not. Now the characteristics are there. In a similarly part, we had a characteristics where we can define the binary and the generation plan. When we talk about binary, definitely we had an a pair income, and definitely we had an income fast here because of the two leg plan. You don't have to open it out like in a third leg. You just have to put it out the people either left either right, either left either right. And that is how the system grows and the people get support. Now again, this that in a generation plan, what it's happened here, we don't have a no pair income. That's why the income is slow, just because we had a different teams, like we had a multiple legs plan. Like one we have to put it out first leg, then second, then third, then fourth. Putting in a business in different legs, it's quite different, and that's why the income is slow. Now the second part, where in binary plan we had a carry forward thing. Carry forward, if I talk about, so I can say like the credit is how long the credit is good. How long the credit is good? One time, two time, three time, and if it is for a longer duration, na, definitely your business is going to be into the great loss. And now here, when we talk about generation plans, definitely we are not having any kind of a carry forward here. We are having a business zero on every month. This is the only thing like which creates a difference between a binary and a generation plan. Okay. Now, when we talk about the income, the 7 ways of lifelong income, we had on a 7 kind of income: the retail profit, the active bonus, consistency, super active, car fund, house fund, and flagship bonus. Let's see how this works it out. When we talk about the retail profit, definitely OK Life Care is the company who actually made it out the retail profit. Otherwise, once you talk about the other companies, the other organizations who are into the direct sales, they only say it out retail profit as a retail profit. That's a name, just a name. But here, what we have it, 40% up to retail profit. When we talk about the 40% retail profit, so definitely it is more over. I'm talking about on a combination. I'm talking about on a combination of the products when we talk about FMCG, when we talk about the Ayurveda, when we talk about the health. Okay. Now, what has happened in generally in the market, what people generally do, like they give you a retail profit of worth rupees 20% to 30%, 10 to 20% is like, I think I have maximum I heard it out till now. And what they will give you like the next retail profit in terms of your income, they will give you some rank, they will give you some other things, so that you can avail it out these particular retail profit while paying extra, while paying more. So I have an example, like I'm giving an example, like while buying a soap of worth rupees 35 rupees and having a cashback of 3.5 rupees, 3.5 rupees, 3.5 rupees cashback after a month, or having a 10 rupees, you can say, retail profit at a time of your buying, at a time of your buying while buying in a 25 rupees soap. So definitely people will go with the 10 rupees. Who will wait it out for 3.5 rupees after a month? So here we had a retail profit, which is exact real retail profit. Now, when we talk about our first income, that is active bonus. Now, when you talk about like an active bonus, so I would like to relate to this particular income with like the sign of the person. Like once a person is active, active means he's working something, something, something activity, any activity he's performing into the business, then he gets a active bonus. Now, when we talk about the active bonus, definitely we had like a two-team plan, and it's on a two-team generation plan, a hybrid generation plan. When we talk about two teams, so definitely I would say for the active bonus, what you need to do in your team A, once you are doing a 2500 BV business, and if you're doing a business of 2500 BV in your team B, I'm talking about the entire team, and I've talked about in the rupees. If I talk about, so it's hardly a business of rupees 5 to 6,000 onto the A side team, and of rupees 5 to 6,000 business onto the team B side. Now what? Generally it happens that in a, as I told you in a earlier in my very first slide, that how the binary system works. Now see here, when we are just matching the business turnover, when we are just matching the business turnover, that is 2500 BV, we are getting in a one active bonus point. What we are getting in a one active bonus point, which is having a certain value. This point is having carrying a certain value, which is approximately from rupees 250 to 300 rupees. As per the current time, it is, I think it is 280 rupees right now. It is 280 rupees right now. So when you talk about 25 to 2500 BV business matching, we are getting in a one active bonus point. And onto this right hand side, you can see that if we are getting 25, we are getting 1 point into 2500 BV. In 5,000 we will get 2 points, 10,000 we will get 4 points. In a similar line, if we are doing in a business of 50,000 BV, then we are getting in a point of 20. In 50,000 BV, we are getting 20 points. So we can analyze our income, that active bonus, if we are doing in a 50,000 business, then what we are getting, 20 into 300, that is approximately 6,000 rupees, 5 to 6,000 rupees. And company is delivering us, and company is paying us 30% of the company monthly business turnover. 30% of the company monthly BV turnover. I'm giving a very short example because this example will help you out to understand like how the point is made it out. I'm giving an example. For example, that you are the person, you are the first person who have joined this particular organization, and you have made it out on a 2500 BV business turnover match. And once at the time when you match it out this particular turnover, at the time that the company turnover was 1 lakh BV. Now, if we have to distribute 30%, so 30% of 1 lakh is 30,000, and you was the first person who made it out this particular point, then the point value would be 30,000. In a similar time, if some other person made it out this particular point, then the value of this particular point would be 30,000 divided by 2. In a similar time, if there was 3 persons, it will be 30,000 divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get it? Okay. Now move to next. Consistency. Now, when I talk about consistency, what is consistency? You can see the picture, the boat, which is there on your screen. What is required to run a boat? A continuous paddling, or the continuous to run the flaps to cut the water to make your boat to sail ahead? Yes, definitely. The consistency means the same. I'm talking about the regular practicing of something. Now, when we talk about the consistency thing, you what you need to do, once if you're doing in a 2500 BV on a consecutive 3 months, if you're doing this particular business, the 2500 BV for 3 consecutive months, again onto the similar business, again onto the similar business, you are getting one more CBP point, that is consistency bonus point. Again you are getting it up on a similar part, on a similar business. Okay, and that values approximately 120 to 140 rupees, and here company pays you 10% of the company monthly business turnover. Now you can see again onto my right hand side, that is the consistency bonus. When I again talk about the 50,000, then again we had like 20 points. And again if we want to know that how much money we can earn it out, so that is in front of you, 20 into 140, that is 2800 rupees. Okay, now what now what our next income, a super active bonus. Super active bonus. Now you can see again into the picture, you can see in a muscle man, and definitely this body is not made it out in a one day. This body has not been made it out in a one day. So again I would like to get back your attention onto your very first income. That was what? Active. This person started to come into the gym, and he become active. Now continuously, when I talk about consistency, so continuously he's coming into the gym, he's doing his exercise, he's doing his aerobics and all, and now he is perfect. Now he is perfect. So now he is super active, and now he's in a muscle man. Okay, you can relate the things, you can relate the things. Now when I talk about super active bonus, definitely when we are having a turnover of rupees 50,000 BV and 50,000 BV, I'm talking if I talk about in rupees, so I can talk about rupees 1 to 1.25 lakh rupees business onto the both of your teams. Okay, so once your business is matching, you are getting one super active bonus point, and here the company is giving you 15% of the company monthly BV turnover, and the point value here it comes about approximately 4 to 5,000 rupees approximately. So onto the right hand side you can see it up. I have done a calculation, that is one super active bonus point into 5,000 in 50,000 BV, we will get it out in a 5,000 rupees income. Okay, now what a wonderful car, Lamborghini, huh? Everybody wants to drive it out. So let's see how we can see the car funds. Now, what you need to do, what you have done it out in super active bonus. If you have availed it out super active bonus, you just need to you can say maintain, or you just need to do that 50,000 business for 3 consecutive months. It means if you are doing your super active bonus consecutive for 3 months, you are getting again a business point, a car fund bonus point onto the similar business turnover, onto the similar business turnover, and that is 7.5%. Yani, it means like 7.5% of the company's monthly business turnover. You can see it onto the right hand side. That is CFB car fund bonus. That is 1 into 3,500, and here you're getting 7.5. Now the house fund, definitely everybody wants it out. A beautiful house like this. Now, once if you are just maintaining your car fund for 3 consecutive for 3 consecutive months, or you can say 50,000 BV business consecutive for 6 months, 6 consecutive months. If you are doing this business, then you are be able to avail it out your house fund. Now, in 50,000 BV, we are getting again a house fund bonus point, that is 5% of the company monthly business turnover. And the value is approximately 25 to 300 rupees. Now you can see it out house fund bonus, that is here 3,000. Now you guys can have a look onto the right hand side. We haven't done a business of 50,000 BV. We have done a business of 50,000 BV. That is approximately, I can say, 1.25 lakhs each and every month. Okay, so 2.5 lakh business you have done it out continuously for 6 months. What will be your earning? What will be your earning? It will be approximately 20,300, but from my side I can say it will be between like 18,000 to 20,300 approximately, like because our point value is coming from the business turnover, so it fluctuates. Okay, now the last but not least, flagship bonus. Every person is important. You come to know in this particular income. Now the flagship bonus, what you need to do, you can avail this income from the very first day. Now what has to do if we need to avail it from the very first day? It's very simple, guys. The maximum person you sponsor from your side, the maximum person you sponsor from your side, and it can be any number. It can be any number. You can sponsor unlimited people from a single ID. And believe me, guys, whoever the person you have sponsored, the much money that person is drawing from this particular business. For example, if a person is drawing rupees 1 lakh from this business, you will be getting a 10% of flagship bonus directly from that particular person. It means the max sponsor you have it, the max 10% income you will get in your account, and that is only and only for you. The max people you sponsor, the max you get the 10%. Okay, now the important part in the business. Now I will take you on to the uh, this active bonus. Yes, we had a limitation of rupees 1 lakh 20,000 here. Why it is, I will let you know. Now again, we had a consistency bonus. We had a limit of 80,000 here, and rest of all super active bonus, no limit. When I talk about car fund, no limit. When I talk about house funds, no limit. When I talk about flagship bonus, no limit. So let move little bit ahead to understand more deeply. Now you can see it out. We had like two slabs here. You can earn it out into two slabs. That is, one is like you can earn either in the multiplication of 2500 BV, or either you can earn it out in a multiplication of 50,000 or 50,000. Got my point? Either you can earn it out into 2500 BV multiplication, or either you can earn it out in a slab of 50,000 multiplication. Means like you have done it out on a 2500 matching, you're getting rupees 300. You have match it out 5,000, you are getting 600. You have match it out this seven and a half thousand, 7,500, you will get it out 900. So similarly with happens with the 50,000 case. So this is how your incomes. Now when I talk about like this limitations, so definitely this limitations has been put it out to secure our bottom distributors. Bottom distributors means like the people who are coming new into the business, just to stable the point value, just to stable the point value, because the maximum people will go on to the this limitations parts. Like if somebody is like if right now I think so there are like hardly like 6 to 7 people are there in the OK Life Care who has been completed uh, this mark like 1,20,000 and 80,000. So the maximum people will reach it onto this particular slab. The business which they are doing, the access business which they are doing, that will help it out to stable the point value. Okay. Now we had on a monthly offers, that is 2,500 rupees products. If you are just purchasing it out for 6 months, you are getting similarly 2,500 rupees worth product into the 7 month, and that is absolutely free. Again, what is the process to associate with us? A simple registration where you required your PAN card and your some of the details, because PAN card is mandatory. Nobody can even join it out without PAN card. Okay. Now after that your registration, do your first purchase, that is rupees 500 BVs. It's hardly about 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. Now again, step 3, team mentors training like we are doing right now, and again build a core team. So we had a very simple formula: reach to, teach to, reach to, and teach to. So you can see it out into this the success formula where we had it, that in January we had 2 people, A and B. Again in February we had it like 2 into 2, the 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Total, if you can see it out, it's almost like 8,190 people. Believe me, guys, if you make it out on a 10% of your effort, now you will be reaching it out onto the highest amount of your entire career. One thing more, one calculation I think I need to tell you. Just a second, huh? Generally, like we had a thing where we have to see it out that people are saying we had a low BV and high BV thing. I hope you guys understand low BV and high BV. So I had a small calculation there. I had a small calculation. Let me give you a screenshot over that. Just a second.
क्या हुआ प्रतीक भाई?
Yes, you can see it in my hello.
हाँ, दिख रहा
Can you
है.
see my Can you see my screen?
Yeah, you can see.
Okay. So here I have done it out on a very simple calculation of rupees 1 crore BV. 1 crore BV calculation I have done it out. It means 2.5 crore rupees in rupees business. Okay. So now when I talk about 1 crore BV, okay, and here I'm taking like the point values on a very low level. I have taken out the point values which I'm expecting it out to be come it out in next 5 years. Okay, so you can see it out the thing here. I have took it out 1 crore BV. Now, when I talk about 1 crore BV, so how many points can be there in active bonus? 400 points. The similarly, it can happen there in consistency, 400 points, 1 crore BV. The super active bonus point will be 200, car fund will be 200, house fund will be 200. I'm not taking that income, this as a flagship bonus. Okay. Now here you can see I put it out the value of active bonus, the least value. Least value is 250 rupees because there's a limitation of 1,20,000. So if we are multiplying it 250 with rupees 400, sorry, with 400 points, it will be increasing, but we will get only 1,20,000. Again, in the consistency, I have put it out the least value, that is 120 rupees. I put it out to 120 rupees. Okay. Again, it is coming like 80,000 because we crossed it out that limit. Now, again, when we talk about super active bonus, yes, I have put it out the least value of rupees 3,000 rupees, the point value, and I have multiplied it with 200 point, that is 6 lakh. Again, car fund you can see 5 lakh, house fund you can see 2,000 rupees. I have taken it up into 200, that is 4,000 rupees, 4 lakh rupees. Now, in total, if I'm doing 2.5 crores in rupees, I'm talking about 2.5 crores rupees turnover, I have done it out, and the income you can see what it is. How much it is? 17 lakhs. 17 lakhs. Believe me, guys, this figure I'm showing you, this is after 5 or maybe 6 years, or maybe after 10 years, because the point value which I have taken it out, I have taken it out much lesser part. And when you talk about like as per the current value, it will come approximately 23 lakhs. I can bet it out, or either you can also bet it out with anyone, that in a turnover of 2.5 crores rupees turnover, 17 lakh income, no company, no business can give you. No company, no other direct selling company. Either they are into binary, either they are into generation, into the multi-lex. Nobody can give you this turnover, this income on this particular turnover. That's all from my side. Over to Akhilesh Bhaiya. Akhilesh Bhaiya.
यस ब्रदर, यस 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 आप स्क्रीन शेयर को फिर ऑफ कर दीजिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच प्रतीक जी. रियली आज मजा आ गया.
I think today like I took it out little bit more time.
Yes. It's 20 minutes more than usual time. So कोई इशू नहीं है. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट मीटिंग. सो मेन मैटर इज दैट कि जो भी हमारे यूजर हैं, राइट, इंटायर द इंडिया, जो लोग को हिंदी में समझने में इशूज हो, कम से कम वो समझ सके. हमारी पहला प्रयास था. तो विल ट्राई दैट कि इंग्लिश में हर मंडे वी विल मतलब परफॉर्म द ऑल एक्टिविटीज इन इंग्लिश विथ आवर ऑल ओवर इंडिया, विथ आवर ऑल टीम्स जो जहाँ भी बिलोंग कर रहा है. तो हमारा प्रयास ये होगा कि बस हम इसको एक बार देखें. यदि इसकी डिमांड बढ़ेगी, लाइक 400 लोग यहाँ पे थे, और यूट्यूब पे जो अभी लास्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ, 800 लोग से शुरू हुआ था, 400 लोग बचे हुए हैं. एंड इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट यूट्यूब, देयर इज अराउंड अराउंड वहाँ भी 30 लोग के आसपास है. तो ले दे के कनेक्शन ये है कि जो लोग जहाँ से हैं, लेके 450 लोग ऐसे थे जो मीटिंग में लगातार हैं. इसका मतलब ये है कि कम से कम 400 लोग इंटायर इंडिया देखना चाहते हैं, समझना चाहते हैं चीज़ों को अपने लैंग्वेज में. तो इसको हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे. आज शाम को 7 बजे फिर ट्रेनिंग, प्रोडक्ट ओवरव्यू एंड ट्रेनिंग वी विल कंडक्ट ऑन फ्रॉम 7 PM 7 o'clock. तो जो लोग इस मीटिंग में ऐसे हों जो इंटरेस्टेड हो कि वी विल अटेंड एवरी ट्रेनिंग्स इन इंग्लिश, दे कैन ज्वाइन एट टुनाइट 7 o'clock. थैंक यू सो मच प्रतीक जी, थैंक यू सो मच टीम्स. We will meet you again, we will discuss you again on any other topic. Thank you so much.